Emma, what are you doing? You found a nook? You found a box? Huh? What you doing, big girl? What you doing? I love you, my baby. How's my Emma, huh? How's my Emma girl? I love you. Oh, you sweet girl. You sweet girl. Yeah, say, Mama, you're disturbing me in my box. Say, leave me alone, Mama. Leave me alone. All right, Emma. I love you. Hey, look at me. Hell no, I'm not looking at you. Hey. She will not look at me, but I'm going to get her. There we go. I love you. Bye-bye. Subscribe to Free to Be Tracy NY if you want to see more pet stuff. Because they're really cute. Tracy out. Bye.